Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a blog using an easy method. First, let's choose your blogging platform. There are many great options, but for simplicity, I recommend starting with a user-friendly service like WordPress.com or Blogger. These platforms handle much of the technical work for you, allowing you to focus on creating content. Think about your comfort level with technology and what features are most important to you. Many people find these free options perfect for beginning their blogging journey. Next, let's talk about your blog's address on the internet, your domain name. It should be easy to remember and reflect your blog's topic. With free platforms, you'll typically get a subdomain which includes the platform's name, like yourblog.wordpress.com. If you want a completely custom name, such as yourblog.com, you'll need to purchase a domain and often a hosting plan. This gives you more control and a professional appearance for your online space. Now for the fun part, designing your blog. Most platforms offer a wide selection of themes or templates. Choose one that is clean, easy to read, and looks good on all devices, from desktop computers to mobile phones. You can then customize elements like colors, fonts, and the layout to make it uniquely yours. Once the design feels right, it's time to start writing. Focus on creating valuable and engaging content for your audience. With your design in place and some initial content written, it's time to launch your blog. Publish your first few posts to give new visitors something to explore. Don't keep your amazing work a secret. Share your blog on social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or X to reach a wider audience. Remember to engage with your readers by responding to comments and fostering a sense of community. Consistency is key to growing your blog over time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.